Come on, come on. You're in the flight path.
Wow. So there's only one queen in this whole hive?
Well, I have one queen in your house. Now you want to know how dangerous they are. Do I recommend this? No.
How many bees do you think you have?
In there?
Yeah.
Oh, there's probably about 75 to 100,000. Depends upon whose book you're reading. Now, you see that little bit there on her leg?
Mm-hmm, it's pollen.
Pollen.
So how come they're just kind of like flying around outside the...
Well, if you look, you see them going off. All right, this is an ideal situation here for bees because they're trapped on three sides and they have on at least, what, 100 feet off of the sidewalk. So going out of here, they have to go up and go this way. And that's what they're doing. They're going out and then you see them coming and going.
And that's where they get a drink over there?
Well, they can, but I haven't seen them there. I have water for them. But there seems to have been enough water here that they don't seem to be too concerned with it. I do this primarily to show people that why are you afraid of them?
They're lighter colored than the ones I'm used to seeing.
Well, you got to look at it this way. You want any more or are we done?
We're done.
Let's go. Let's keep walking.